Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video of mine. If you are new to this channel, please kindly click on subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. In case I upload a new video, you'll be notified. I appreciate every minute you spend on this channel to watch one or two or three of my videos, maybe to get some ideas or experience. So I appreciate everything, and the comments you drop, the likes, and everything you spend on this channel to watch my videos. I actually appreciate everything you do. So I promise to give you more valuable content, just like the way you want it. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 7 data entry jobs that you can actually do from home to make more money online. So I understand the fact that probably most people don't want to do a data entry jobs due to the fact that maybe the money that are coming through it doesn't well enough for them to spend. I don't know, but of course there are still a lot of people who are actually doing this data entry jobs and they are making lots of money in this niche. And I believe, if I'm not sure, like 2 countries are actually top rating in this niche, who dominate this niche, which are Indian and Pakistan. I believe that those people are really doing great in this niche. And maybe because some people don't want to do it, maybe they do more than what they paid for. Because if you got some lot of jobs and you've been offering like $5 or $10, which doesn't worth your hours. So but in this video, I'm going to share with you, if you decide to do any of these mentioned gigs, so that will definitely be left to you if you are actually interested in it. But of course, I will make everything well perfect, because there are a lot of people who are actually making money in this niche, and I believe maybe if you want to try it out too, of course you can definitely make your own out of it if you are actually interested. I'm not forcing anybody to do it, so it's left to you after watching this whole video if you think you can actually or should actually have a gig in this category. So that will be left to you. So I'll be showing you different gigs and different how to implement all these keywords, even though if you want to have a single gig offering these 7 data entry jobs. So definitely you can do that. So I'll be showing you right on my screen on the 7 legit data entry jobs that you can actually do from home to make more money online. So I'll be jumping right to my PC screen to show you different type of gigs that you can learn from. I can watch how they are doing their own services. You can see their gig description, the title, and the review that people are actually dropping about their services. So let's jump right to my PC screen. So guys, I'm on Fiverr right now, so I'll be searching through Fiverr platform for a data entry jobs that you can actually do from your home to make more money online, just as I said. So here I'll be inputting data entry. Wow, that's great. You can see all these keywords that actually pops up now. Like the first one says data entry, the second one says data entry typing works, data entry copy paste, data entry typing works jobs, data entry Excel, data entry works, data entry jobs. All these things are certain keywords that buyers are actually searching on the Fiverr marketplace. And of course, you can actually input all these keywords in your gig. Like I also said that you can offer all these services on just a single gig on the Fiverr marketplace. So it actually depends on how you want to perfect your gig and how you want it to look like. So for instance, now let's check on the second keyword, which is data entry typing work. Okay, here we have 40,000 gigs on this page, and you can see some other suggested let's say keyword, which are data entry jobs, typing jobs, Excel data entry, fastest sorry, data entry data entry expert, data entry in 24 hours, accurate data entry. All these things are actually keywords that you can input on your gig title, gig tags, and the description, so that your gig can perform more better. So, and I also said that people that are actually doing or offering this kind of service are actually Pakistan and India. Of course, yes, all these gigs here are all these sellers are from Pakistan or India. I don't just want to be opening gigs all day like that. But of course, you can see their pictures. You can see that they're actually from Pakistan and India. With the look safe, you'll be able to identify if someone or the country where they are. So most especially the India and Pakistan as well. So that's that. And also, I can let me just try to open some of the gigs so you can see what service they offer, like what they do for clients. So let me open this gig and see. Okay, yeah, this gig title says I will do Excel data entry, web research, convert PDF to Word, Excel, and typing work. So all these are more than four jobs in a single gig, which is web research, data entry, converting of PDF file to Excel, and any other typing projects. Okay, this is 2 hours work. So this kind of service are based per hour. So this one is 5 hours and this one is 25 hours, sorry, which is 120 bucks. And this have gotten 47 reviews, and of course there are some projects that he might have done which the buyers might not rate the project. So you can see all the keywords that I just mentioned. So here you have web research, data entry, Excel to Word, Excel, PDF, sorry, web data entry, Google spreadsheet, data scraping, typing works, typing job, copy and paste, lead generation. So reason for ironing your satisfaction, error-free input with a 100% money back guarantee. So fast and on-time delivery, extra fee revision. Okay, so you can see this gig here, it's well explained. I love it. So this seller is from Pakistan, and the seller has been offering this kind of service since 2019 as it was stated on the Fiverr marketplace. So here you have 63 overall reviews. So definitely you have some other gigs too, which I don't know, try to check. Okay, so these are other gigs that, okay, building of SEO and WordPress website. So that's that for this gig, and you can see everything is well detailed. Everything is well detailed. Let's see this gig too. Okay, this one is having 2 orders in queue with basic package of 5 bucks, 15 and 25. So the title says I will do data entry typing work in Excel spreadsheet. So let's see the kind of spreadsheet she is doing. So if you have an idea about what Excel or what Google spreadsheet, so this is what you can actually do. And if you don't have any idea about any of this, you can actually go to Udemy to learn how to do it, or come here on YouTube to do your research and find enough videos, watch different type of videos that you think you can, so just to be able to understand how the thing is done, and then you can offer the service on the Fiverr marketplace. So this seller is from Pakistan, and he's been selling his service since 2018, and with overall of 241 reviews. That's wow. And this seller maintained 5.0 star, which is the best. So this is great. So I said that most of these sellers are from Pakistan and India. I told you already. So let's see here. service option. Okay, no, seller details, sorry. See here, let's see the particular Pakistan. Okay, you can see 7,000 Bangladesh. You can see here coming 25 India. You see 4,000 gigs. Let's start for Pakistan. Wow, where is Pakistan? Shit. Okay, 20,000. You can see here 20,000 gigs. So these are the people that are actually doing this service. They are the people that you see US, you see UK, you see Canada. So those are people that actually dedicate that niche. They dedicate the niche. So that's what I have for you in this video, and I want to tell you that you should not think that you can offer your service on the data entry job, because there is no limit on what you can actually make in this niche. It just depends on how you present yourself, understand? So and I believe that if you make everything well perfect and well accurate, and also try to promote your gig without you depending on the marketplace alone, so share your gig on social media platforms that you believe in, such as Facebook, Twitter, maybe WhatsApp, then a website called Medium to create a post and do some backlinks or inbuilt links, so that once they click on the particular keywords, it will be redirected to your Fiverr account or a particular gig. Then of course they can proceed to message you or order your service from there. And with that, even though if they did not buy your service, of course their gig will keep on improving, and the analysis will keep on improving, like clicks, impression, and all of that stuff. So with that, Fiverr will definitely think that you're actually promoting the whole marketplace, not only your gig. Then they might give you a chance to promote or put your gig in the first page on the Fiverr marketplace, but based on your keywords. So I think this video helps you, and if you have any question regarding the video, can you drop a comment, and I'll be very more than happy to reply to your response. So have a great day.